Let's have a go. Take a step forward.
Hi, I'm Dr. Charlotte Holly and I'm the lead of Children's Podiatry in Cardiff and Vale NHS Board.
My name's Martha Powell. I work for the local public health team in the Move More Eat Well team.
Mrs. Harvey from Llanederyn Primary School.
And who have you brought with you today?
I brought my year ones with me today.
And what are you doing here at Cardiff Met?
We're working with Cardiff Met on the new Quick Step programme.
Put your leg down to the floor.
Here today presenting to the second year students in a bit of a workshop hands-on feel whereby we give them lots of information regarding their module of health and well-being, but also see them interact with the children, and that is based around our project
Called QuickChange, which we've developed in collaboration with clinical and non-clinical services around prevention in children aged 4 to 6. So today's workshop has been about them asking children what they think of it and how they can be better.
So how did your year ones get on today? Do they enjoy it?
They were a little bit nervous to start with, but then once the video was played, they absolutely loved it and they want to carry on doing it every day.
Hi, Dr. Nick Young from Primary Education Studies. It's been amazing to be part of this project with Quick Step, working with public health, NHS and our students. It's been a really valuable experience for our students to learn about some of the key messages around health and well-being in the curriculum and tackle some really contemporary issues that we're facing in Wales, and for our students to get some experience working with younger children. It's been a great project and we're looking forward to seeing how this develops.